What if you could invest in Apple, Tesla or Meta with just £1? That's the power of fractional shares. At InvestEngine, fractional investing means you don't need hundreds or even thousands of pounds to get started. Your initial investment needs to only be £100, and after that you can invest from as little as £1 into any ETF. I'm Marianne, the Operations Director at InvestEngine, and in this video I'll explain what fractional shares are and why they can be such a useful tool for investors. Often when you invest, you buy whole shares. If a share costs £34, you need at least £34 to invest. And some ETFs can cost hundreds or even thousands of pounds for a single share. Fractional investing changes that. It allows you to buy part of a share rather than the whole thing. So if you only want to put in £10, you can still own a slice of that £34 ETF, or even one that costs over £1,000. With InvestEngine, fractional investing is built in. You can invest from just £1 at a time. Every pound is then invested across your chosen ETFs to match the split that you decide when building your portfolio. Fractional shares give investors choice. Instead of being limited to what you can afford per share, you can invest in the funds you actually want. So they help you diversify. For example, if you have £100 to invest, you don't need to put that all into a single ETF. Instead, you could spread it across multiple funds. This makes it easier for new investors to get started and for experienced investors to build balanced, cost-efficient portfolios. And there's even more good news. As of November 4th, fractional shares have been confirmed as ISA compliant by the HMRC. That means you can now hold fractional shares inside your stocks and shares ISA. A quick note on protection, because this is a common question. At InvestEngine, we're authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Your cash and investments, including fractional shares, are held securely, and up to £85,000 may be eligible for the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. To recap, fractional shares allow you to buy part of the share rather than the whole thing. They lower the barrier to entry, give you more choice, and make it easier to diversify, especially if you're starting small. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.